Okay, so I am starting off with my eye already primed. And I'm gonna start off with my base color. I'm gonna be using the Morphe 350 palette. It's gonna be our transitional eyeshadow. I'm gonna just add this with like a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna do circular motions. Then I'm gonna go in with a darker brown eyeshadow. This has red undertones, which is gonna help create like the gradient effect that I have going on with this eye. I'm gonna be using this color right here. And I'm gonna be actually using the same brush, and I'm gonna be applying it a little bit under that transitional eyeshadow. I'm actually gonna be applying this down here. And it doesn't really matter if you get this eyeshadow on the lid, just because we are going to be using a concealer to cut out the lid colors. So now that I've applied that color, I'm just going to blend it out. And then I'm going to go in, this isn't fully blended, but I'm going to go in with this color right here to apply on top of the transitional eyeshadow. Okay, so now to darken up the crease, I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I'm gonna be using a smaller brush. And I'm gonna be applying this right under the crease, out layering. I'm gonna go back to the other brush that I was using, and I'm gonna blend. So now I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette. I'm going to be mixing this yellow eyeshadow and then with this other, they're two different eyeshadow, they're two different shades of yellow. This one's a little bit lighter, this one's more of a mustard. I'm going to be mixing those two colors, and that's what I'm going to be applying right above those transitional eyeshadows. And it kind of goes into the brow bone, which is how it has like a gradient effect from the brow bone to the crease. So now to cut my crease, I'm just going to be using my foundation. You can use a concealer, it's up to your preference. I'm going to be taking a small brush, and I'm just going to go in. Okay, so now that I've cut my crease, it's not perfect, but it's definitely gonna get us to this look. I'm gonna go back into that brown eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna kind of reapply it. And I'm gonna go in and mix these two colors to create my lid shade, and I'm gonna be using a really small precise. You don't want to set your lid because this is gonna help intensify the look. And I'm gonna leave the center of my eye lid empty so I can apply the gold eyeshadow. So I'm going to be taking this gold color, and I did wet my brush with some MAC Fix Plus, and I'm really going to pack this color on the center of my lid. I'm going to use my finger to blend it out. So now I'm going to go into the into the darker blue eyeshadows, and I'm gonna be mixing them, and I'm going to be applying this on these center. Oh my goodness, I think I got it on my shirt. I'm going to be applying this on the center of my lid and just kind of dragging it from the center all the way out. I'm going to be going into those darker blue eyeshadows, and I'm going to be applying this on to the crease, but you want to apply this color slowly, like so. And then at this point, you're gonna want to touch up the inner corner and the outer corner eyeshadow, or the center color. This is the time where we're gonna start doing details. I'm just blending this color out, and then I'm going to be adding a little bit more of the yellow and a little bit more of the brown. So right now I'm gonna be adding the eyeliner. I'm gonna be adding the winged eyeliner and then the black eyeliner right here, and I'm gonna be adding some mascara, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back into the baby blue eyeshadows, and I'm just gonna be applying this underneath, oh shoot, right here, just kind of to add the base for the darker eyeshadows. As you guys can tell, they're kind of intense. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it at that. And I'm gonna go in with the darker, like the navy blue shadows, and I'm gonna take this up here. So to make my eyes a little darker, I'm gonna be mixing navy and black from the Lorac Pro palette, and okay guys, so that is it for this tutorial. Let me know what you guys would like to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video.